People, the fries are turning out great. These are fresh, white, rusted potatoes. Okay, people, it's been an hour and 15 minutes more dehydrating the garlic. Okay, cake. I just put the cake in the oven. I started at 30, but I took it out at 25 minutes. Okay, I have the half a chicken in this KALORIK, and this is as brown as it's got. I'm using the KALORIK to cook some biscuits. Okay, people, 20 minutes. They are ready. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. And today I'm sharing a delicious meal that I cooked in the KALORIK electric oven. Hello and welcome back. Today's video is another semi-cooking video because I'm using the KALORIK to cook some biscuits. And these biscuits were made, the 2 ingredient way, where you use 2 cups of self-rising flour and 2 cups of heavy cream, if you want to try this recipe. And then you do your little kneading for a few minutes, then you cut them, shape them, cut them, put them in the pan. But anyway, as I've seen, the 2 ingredients that you need is self-rising flour and some heavy whipping cream. Okay, y'all, I am now pouring some liquid into my flour. I'm going to be just pressing down, cutting out my biscuits. So put them in the pan. Yeah, these are going to be some honey buttered homemade biscuits that I am going to be cooking in the KALORIK electric oven. Now, some of you guys, or anyone that's listening or watching this video, cooking times for certain foods might be affected by where you live or your oven. So for me on the KALORIK today, let me see, I'm going to be baking these biscuits. So let me turn this on. Wait, Lord Jesus, hold on, y'all. 1 second. I don't know why I always get confused. But anyway, okay, so I turned it on. I closed the door. I'm turning it on, and I'm going to put it. Let's press oven. Okay, I pressed the start button. Then I pressed the oven, and now I'm going over here. I'm on bake, and it's got 25 minutes on there. I don't think these biscuits are going to take that long to cook, so I'm going to press this knob here. You push on it, and when you do that, it'll make this flash, and therefore you can adjust the temperature. So I'm just going to leave it on 20 minutes. Then I'm going to press it, and then it goes over. I press that knob again, this knob here, right there, and then you see the temperature 375. Okay, I think I'm just going to let it stay right on that 375, and then, oops, I made a boo-boo. So I have to go back to my temperature. I have to go back all the way around, you guys, because, uh-oh, wait a minute. This thing is all on broil. Hold on. I don't know. Wait a minute. Okay. We got to get back to bake. Okay, we're back at bake. Okay, I press bake on the knob. Now I'm adjusting the temperature down to 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, 375. And I press the start button. And so the biscuits are in a 10-inch aluminum pan. There's 8 biscuits in there. I coated them with butter mixed with some baking honey. You guys don't know what that is. Let me see. Hold on, let me get the bottle. This is Baker's Special Honey. This is honey that you bake with. Okay, so that's what I added in, mixed with some butter that I coated the homemade 2-ingredient biscuits made from scratch, because you use 2 cups of self-rising flour mixed with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay, y'all? Now, I'm using a caloric oven, as I told you guys. And it's already, what, a minute down. So, I think this is the first time I cooked biscuits in here. I've done cake, I did chicken, French fries, so far in here. Oh, and I did dehydrate some garlic. So check out, I have a playlist now for the KALORIK electric oven. If you want to watch all the videos that I did, that I made, it's all in the playlist. So if you want to watch them in a row, you can. If you want to know how I've been using the KALORIK electric oven. Now, I'm not perfect, so what you hear me saying in those previous videos, it may have, everything I've done is from, you know, it might have had some mistakes in there, but as I continue to practice using this electric oven, I've become, you know, better at using it, turning it on, adjusting temperatures, adjusting times, and as far as using the directions to cook and stuff. So I've baked, I've broiled, I roasted, and I've also rotisserie chicken in here, air fried, all that kind of stuff so far. I haven't done any fish yet, but anyway, I'm gonna come back in intervals to share with you guys how the biscuits are doing. And I did not preheat this oven, so I imagine this oven, I never thought about that, but I didn't preheat it, so keep that in mind. As far as the cooking time, the oven's not already hot. But anyway, we'll see how this works out. This first time cooking biscuits, so I'll be back in a few. Not sure if you guys can see in there. It's 10 minutes later, and they have begun to rise, but they're still really, really white. So, not right done yet. This is the time left, and remember the temperature. Okay, so that's 10 minutes later. They have puffed up a lot. I'll be back. Okay, people, 20 minutes. They are ready, and they are super moist biscuits, very super moist. I have already put more, added more honey butter on the top of the biscuits after I took them out of the oven. And one thing I did while they were cooking is I rotated at least 3 times so that they could kind of like evenly brown on top. And let me open up one. See that steam escaping? They are so moist, soft. It's such a soft, moist biscuit, and delicious. So if you guys want to try this recipe, it's just 2 cups of self-rising flour and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. That's about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this KALORIK cooking episode. And as always, don't forget to hit that thumbs up bell, and don't forget to click notifications so you guys can see if I'm doing any more KALORIK cooking videos or demonstrations about using the KALORIK oven. Don't forget that I do have a playlist with KALORIK videos in there if you want to, you know, binge watch something, or check out any other videos. Just binge watch if you want. So I want to just thank you guys for coming back, and welcome all visitors, and welcome back all my subs. Talk to you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and make you some biscuits today. Bye. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.